Zainelekari and trying to inspire young individuals, and I would also like to impart talent to the others. I would also like to meet relevant individuals who can give me a chance to do more things like that. An animal, because I gave it a cat look, as you can see from the crane and the mouth. And I gave it the eye of a cat and the nostril of a cat. I decided to give this car a navigator because the ingenuity of a navigator is it gives it the speedometer, also the area, so you can't get lost. So it's moving with time, the technology is there and everything, you know. And also I gave it a comfort look in the inside, the Daman and the Jean inside, and I also gave it a drivable flexibility and a different steering wheel. I would like to be recognized as a black designer in Southern Africa, and I would also like to join other designers overseas around the world. I would also like to be recognized. Decided to cover this car. Some other cars are glazed covered, but this one I've decided to cover it with a demo. The inspiration, I got it from the cabriolet, the convertible. It's covered with the material on the top, which is very close to the demo. So I decided to use the same material for the whole body. 20 grand on the engine, and I've spent up about 15 grand on the transfer case, on underneath the suspension. Spent some other money to buy like body parts, the sheet metal, the material, and doing electronics on the car and making it look nice.